Want your cat to come when called? Here's how. Start by choosing a specific word or sound, like their name or a unique whistle. Always use this call during mealtime to create a positive association. Gradually, call them from different rooms, rewarding them with treats and praise when they respond. Use their favorite treats or toys as rewards to make the training more enticing. Keep training sessions short and consistent, and never punish them for not coming. It should always be a positive experience. Practice in different environments to ensure they respond no matter where they are. Be patient and persistent, and soon your cat will come running when you call, strengthening your bond and making life a little easier. And remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the better your cat will respond.